Welcome to Njenje Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. Another tanker falls in Anambra State. Men of fire service on ground. According to the police diary, today being the 31st day of October 2019, a tanker loaded with PMS just fell into a ditch along Onitsha Enugu Expressway. Njenje Media is bringing us this information right from Onitsha. The PMS is sipping out at the time of this report. As of now, this is the time in Onitsha. It is almost 4 o'clock in the evening and the tanker is still lying here at the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. It is highly advisable that all residents in this area should not use this road as it is now. This is a warning from Njenje Media, and that people should prevent using that place as it is now. We are, and Njenje Media can authoritatively confirm that this tanker is falling. We have some of these pictures here. We have security men here on site. Quite unlike the previous tanker, the Anambra State Fire Service is here on site and they are doing justice to it. Meanwhile, police patrol team have cordoned off the area and the fire service department are on ground to prevent fire incident. This was exactly what was missing when the Ochanja market caught fire. But at Njenje Media, we are still not sleeping. Njenje Media is still investigating, and stay tuned because we will shock you with the investigation we are going to publish soon. And that investigation is who sold the fire station at Relief Market, Oboduku Road, Onitsha. Njenje Media is digging, and what we are digging out is very smelly. It's not good. Some people will not like it, but in Njenje Media, we don't care. We stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. The truth shall set us free. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. The tanker is fallen and there is no fire. If you've read anywhere that people say there is fire, no, Njenje Media is here live. There is no fire. We repeat, there is no fire. Kudos to the Anambra State Fire Service. When they do good, we say it. When they do bad, we berate them. In this case, we are saying, Anambra State Fire Service, you have done excellently well. That is the reason why we pay you. That is the reason why the people contribute tax. That is the reason why they pay, and that is your job to protect the people. In this case, you have done an excellent job being here on time with your fire truck, with your foam, the water foam, and all the extinguishers here, in order to prevent, if by any chance that fire ignites. At least you can see from the pictures what they are doing. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. Subscribe to this channel. We will keep you updated.